Today we're at a new construction townhome community in Belmont. This neighborhood has some amazing wooded lots. If you're someone who wants new construction, but you also like to have some privacy, you want some nice trails to walk through, this is an excellent neighborhood. So we're gonna get into all of that, talk incentives, and everything you need to know about living in this neighborhood. Let's jump in. All right, as soon as we enter, you have this great long foyer. Right away, the home feels really open and spacious. And then over to the left, you have the office. So this room is actually an upgrade. Base level, it's gonna be considered a second living room. So it's just an open room. And this is one of those upgrades that I recommend buyers get. It really helps in the event you sell your home. Almost every buyer I work with requires an office these days. And it's typically more of a pain and can be more expensive to close this off down the road. You also have these really lovely French doors. To the right of the front door, you have the formal dining room. It's got the upgraded tray ceilings. Also have that modern light fixture there. And then that will lead you also into the butler's pantry, which we'll head in there in a sec. The home has recessed lighting throughout. You're also gonna have LVP floors throughout the main level. This community does not have amenities like a pool or a playground, but it does have one really cool feature, which I will show you once we wrap things up here. And then as we walk straight ahead down the hallway, over to the left here, we have the half bath. And as we make our way to the main living area, the first thing you will notice are all of these windows. This plan is flooded with natural light. You have 4 windows plus 2 full light panel doors. And this kitchen has probably the longest island I've ever seen in any kitchen. It's beautiful, and this kitchen is really functional. And I think that could be an overused word. I really do believe that with this kitchen because you have so much counter space. Got tons more cabinet space over here. These are gonna be 42 inches tall. That is an upgrade. It really does make the ceilings seem even taller in this house, and it really just adds more space, which everybody could use. You've got the quartz countertops with this really pretty taupe veining. You've got the oversized porcelain farmhouse sink. And this is an upgraded gourmet kitchen. So it's going to include the built-in microwave oven combo. You have the stainless steel hood range with a tile going up to the ceiling, and a 5-burner gas stove top. So if you do not upgrade the package, you wouldn't have the built-in stove. You would have an electric stove with the microwave above it. And then over here to the left is where your garage would be. Obviously, this is the model home, so this is a sales center, but this is where you would enter if you choose to park in the garage. And then on each side here, we have cabinets for the butler's pantry. And then a really nice large walk-in pantry here. So this builder is DRB Homes, and their floor plans are a bit different. So a lot of times with your big name builders like Lennar or Eastwood, you have pretty much the same floor plans, slightly different, but these guys do it just a bit different than the others. So how upgrades work with this builder is that you can pretty much choose anything you want in terms of cosmetics, like the cabinet colors, the light fixtures. They aren't one of the builders that just give you pre-chosen design packages. You have more freedom here when you build. But they're also giving you a decent amount of structural options where you can add additional bedrooms, bathrooms. Some floor plans even allow you to add a 3rd story, so you have a lot of flexibility. And then over here you have the living room. And this whole floor plan has so many windows, it feels like the whole floor is a sunroom. You just have a ton of natural light coming through here. You've got a nice big open living room with the gas fireplace. All right, so I'm gonna take you back here to the ensuite. So this is a great size room. Standard, it would just be the bedroom. The bathroom is an upgrade. You have a full bath with a walk-in shower with a tile going all the way up to the ceiling. This closet would not typically have a water heater. It goes in the garage, but since this is a model home, they have to make do. Give you another shot of this stunning kitchen and massive island. And something I really like about this builder, and this honestly is not very common, is how much they prioritize outdoor living space. So a lot of builders will give you a small covered porch and call it a day, if that. But DRB takes it a step farther. So you're gonna see extended covered porches, screened-in spaces, even balconies depending on the plan. And this is an example of one of their screened-in porches. So you can see it's a pretty good size, and it leads you right out to the backyard. It's a feature that really helps if you ever decide to sell your home. It's also just great to have this extra living space. This door is locked, or I would take you back here. So this plan also has an option to where you can fully close the space in and make it a morning room. So you'd have even more natural light, more square footage, just a great option. So this side porch is another upgraded feature. If this were not here, the breakfast room would just extend to this space. It's a nice upgrade, but honestly, if you want more space in the breakfast room, I don't think you're going to be missing out on much if you do not opt into this upgrade. It's a good shot of the neighborhood. You can just see all of the trees and just how nice this community is going to be. So let's talk pricing. The plan that we are currently in starts at $561,000, but of course, once you add in the upgrades and lot premiums, that price can go up. And in this community especially, lot premiums can really range because many of them have larger lots, some are going to back up to the woods, it really just depends. So some of these lots will have a 0 premium, and then others can go all the way up to $72,000. So by the time buyers add in the lot premiums and design upgrades, most people are landing somewhere between $100,000 to $150,000 over the base price. Also upstairs is going to be fully carpeted throughout. So right here we've got the loft, and this is a great size loft. A lot of times they make these spaces a bit smaller, but this is definitely very usable. And you can also elect to close in this loft and make this room a bonus room. And build time right now is about 6 months, but if you are wanting to move quickly, there are 2 quick move-in homes available. So this floor plan is actually available as early as June 2026, and that price is $650,000. And if you're looking for something a little bigger, you also have another quick move-in that's available in May, and that's listed at $675,000. Over to the right, you've got the primary bedroom, and then over here to the left, you have the other bedrooms. But let's start in the primary. So as soon as we get in here, you see the tray ceilings, the modern light fixtures, but the standout of this room is this amazing balcony. So it is above that side porch downstairs. So another covered porch, great spot to have coffee, have a glass of wine at night, just kind of unwind with some privacy. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Milena. I'm a realtor here in Charlotte. This channel is focused on helping buyers familiarize themselves with the different parts of Charlotte. We do deep dives into neighborhoods, we do pros and cons, and then of course new construction tours. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And if you're looking to buy a house or sell a house, don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to help. All my info is down below. And this is a really spacious room. You have 2 large nightstands, a big king size bed, so you have plenty of room here. You also have the nice double door entry, which just adds a little bit more to the room. Then you have the primary bathroom. So you have the dual sinks with the quartz countertops. Got a private washroom. Really nice, tall, standing shower. Got the matte gold finishes, and it has a seat, which is always a nice touch. And this closet is huge. I love the light fixture. It's just kind of adds a little bit to the room. Now this closet does come standard with this plan. However, if you decide to upgrade the bathroom, which would mean you keep the stand-up shower but you add a soaking tub, it's going to extend the bathroom space, which cuts into the closet space, so your closet space will be smaller. So as we go across to bedroom number 3, again, look how big those windows are. They're so wide, it just, really every room in this house has great natural light. And you got a closet here. All of these rooms are gonna have really good closet space. And all of these bedrooms are roughly the same size. They also are gonna have similar walk-in closets, so you won't have to worry about anyone fighting over who has the better bedroom. And then you have your guest bathroom. So dual sinks, you have the shower tub combo. It is fiberglass, not tile, but you can always upgrade that. And then back here to the left, we have the laundry room, good size. Now, as far as incentives, they're currently offering half off of design options up to $45,000 and $10,000 towards flex cash. But of course, keep in mind, incentives change all the time, sometimes daily. So for the most up-to-date info, feel free to shoot me a text or a call. I'm happy to get that info for you. And then to the right, we have bedroom number 4. So some pros and cons about this area. So this neighborhood is located in Belmont, which is an awesome suburb of Charlotte. They have a really cute downtown with tons of restaurants, shopping. They also host really fun block parties throughout the year. And this neighborhood is only about 10 minutes from downtown. Now, the con is this neighborhood is really deep into Belmont. So if you commute uptown, rush hour is gonna be a pretty big pain. So we're talking about 50 minutes on a good day. But if you work from home or closer to this area, this is a great option. And then we have bedroom number 5. So similar size as the last ones. You also have another big closet here. So now I want to show you a really cool feature in this community. So right here you have the model house, and then you have the entrance, and over here you've got where all the houses are going to be built. And they're going to continue to be built out that way and back over there. So right across from the model home, you have this really great trail. So Charlotte has a lot of greenways, the Charlotte Metro, I should say, and these are nature trails where you can hike, bike. A lot of them have gyms on them or playgrounds. They usually lead to parks. And this one in particular is really great because this one is going to take you to Daniel Stowe Botanical Garden. So you can take this trail here, which is just right inside the neighborhood, to one of the most beautiful, coolest spots in Charlotte. So you can see right here how close it is. So you're about a 4-minute drive, and I would say maybe like 15-minute walk. And you also have Lake Wylie right here. So if you like to boat or boat activities, there are plenty of public docks. You can put your boat in, your jet ski. So this is just a really great area if you are an outdoor enthusiast or if you just enjoy being in nature.